Hi, I hope you're doing great. My name is Rina Hicks and welcome to Financial Literacy Month. And this is brought to you by Moneywise. And today, as I was preparing to come and shoot these videos, a young, beautiful girl asked me this question. I am going through the process of accumulating money in a money market fund, but I'm struggling because I'm constantly feeling broke. Like, what would you tell somebody who's like me, who's constantly feeling this brokenness? And I just smiled because I was like, that feeling of broke is what I call the power of broke. There's a fantastic book that was written by a gentleman called John Damon, and it's called The Power of Broke. And it talks about his journey and how he has grown through his life by constantly feeling broke. Because when you're broke, you're hungry. The moment you feel like you have abundance, the moment you feel like I have enough, I'm all right, then you lose that hunger and the push to keep going and to seek out for more. And so my encouragement to you is look at that feeling of brokenness as a positive thing because it keeps you hungry and it pushes you and gives you drive to keep going to make sure that you have more and at least are able to then survive. Because if you don't do that, then you don't have your needs met. And so let's work and use the power of broke to our advantage to propel us to greater heights. So for me, this is how this works. When I receive any amount of money, whether that's M-Pesa, whether it is payment, whatever it is, I swipe it quickly to a money market fund, even before I have decided what I'm going to do, and then decide where I'm going to allocate that money. So guess what that does? My bank account looks very poor. But the beauty about it looking poor is like when things now come that I had not planned for, I don't actually have the money. And so that feeling of broke keeps me seeking more so that then I can do other things that I want to be able to do and enjoy. And so it keeps me motivated. It keeps me feeling like I need to keep going. But it's not a hunger that is misplaced. It's not a hunger of greed, because there's a difference between greed and drive. Okay, so that's not what I'm talking about. I'm not talking about being at the place where you're constantly seeking and I want more and I want more. No, that's not what it is. It's just, it keeps me humble. It keeps me aware that I need to work hard because I'm not there yet. There's also a difference between contentment and feeling like I have arrived. Contentment is, this is a situation I am in and I am at peace, but I'm still hungry. Feeling I have arrived is like, yeah, I don't need to do anymore. I'm fine. Okay, so there's a distinction. So what am I saying? I'm saying for me, I need to leverage the power of broke to keep me hungry because I have a short window. And my short window is now until I'm about age 65, when I have the energy to continue to seek ways to generate more cash flow, to build passive income, so that when I'm at the stage where I'm done, I don't want to keep, chasing active income. I'm okay. I can just now focus on enjoying my passive income. Now that is why I have to do this. So please take time to just use the power of broke. So the story I want you to share with me in the comment section is there a time that you have been propelled by the power of broke? Share with me in the comments. And in the meantime, subscribe and share these videos with your friends. Take care.